Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Whenever you're doing a cylinder head job and you're having starting issues, these are the three most common issues you're going to have with getting a car started. Number one, your cam sensor plug is shattered, broken in pieces, and not held in properly. I did a couple videos showing you guys how these things are busted up, and I've shown you how I use epoxy to fix those. So if that plug on that cam sensor is messed up, this is a Bosch one, it should be great. Second issue, if you don't have any compression, whenever you have the cylinder head off for an extended period of time, get all the plugs out, all that stuff, your cylinder walls may be dry, especially if you cleaned the head and the block really good. Some people even clean those cylinder walls, making sure they got the top of the pistons clean. It's best if you use an oil-soaked rag and wipe those cylinder walls, saturating them with oil before you put your head on. That'll allow you to build compression quick. You know, if you don't have compression, the car's not going to start. You have to have a long crank to get it started, like I did with Little Red the other day. Last but not least, I'm not sure what you call this, but I call it the cam sensor disc. It goes in the back of the cylinder head and it attaches to the back of the cam. Now, this car is in time. If you put the screw in it and you set it in place and you look at it closely, those holes are offset. Really, those holes are offset because this cut in the back of this cam is offset. It's offset to the down position. So if you put this so that those holes are offset to the down position, this will go in here like this. It falls right in place, nice and easy. You put that screw in there, snug it down, you're good to go. A lot of people will take this and it'll be turned this way, and they'll get one of those tabs to fall in place and feel like it's locked in. Now that's hard to do, but they do it somehow. It feels like it's locked in. Then they tighten this screw down. They're crushing one of the tabs. The other tab is fine, and then they wonder why the car won't start. I ask them time and time again, is that cam sensor disc installed properly? Sure it is, Robert. It's installed properly. Their firing order's off. Cam sensor's not on right. So anyway, you can pull that off, see if one of those tabs are bent down. But the real deal is, if the head is in time, put those tabs on the lower side, slide that in, tighten that screw down, you'll be good to go. Car should fire right up. So be aware of those three things. And a lot of times people put this on wrong when they replace the seal behind it. But hey, whatever orientation it's in, when you take it off to replace that seal, put it back that orientation. Car should fire right up. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.